Exhale. Thread the needle one more time. Inhale. Open up through the chest. Shoulder blades draw together as you reach left fingertips to the sky. And then exhale. Thread the needle. Maybe walking the right hand out or finding what feels good with the right hand. You have options. You can keep the right elbow bent. You can bring it to the lower back. We'll take 3 breaths here. Careful not to clench in the jaw. See if you can soften through the skin of your knees. Bring the big toes to touch. And then when you're ready, inhale, left fingertips reach all the way up towards the sky. Neck is nice and long. Exhale, thread the needle. And inhale, we open up, left fingertips to the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. With your breath, inhale, press up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reach it up.